Hello, I'm Irina. I'm train presentation team leader at Ilford Depot. The cleaners does cleaning inside and outside units. The equipment we use is the steaming machines for carpet cleaning, mops for mopping the silvers and the floors, cloths, and the powerful vacuum. Inside the units, we clean in the carpets, windows, silvers, seats, body side. We do heavy cleans, heavy duty cleaning, including wiping all units from the ceiling till the bottom. We are operating trains from the outside as well. We refilling units with the fresh water. We doing sanding as well, refilling the train with the sand, refilling the screen wash for our drivers. To operate our trains, we're using special equipment, CET machines, sanding machines. For wiping body side, we're using speedy wash machine and special long brooms. My role as a team leader is to make sure my team is safe, well trained, and we do cleaning on the high standards. As a team leader, I have to be sure my team is safe around the depot. They following all the company procedures. We're doing one-to-ones to make sure they feel well and they can develop in their career. During the day, we have up to 12 trains. During the night, it's even more busy. We have up to 16, 17 units. My team have to report to me if we have any faults or issues in a unit. Shift is 7 hours long, day and night. Is absolutely not the same as an office cleaner, just because we are working in a railway. Railway cleaner have to be well trained in the specific areas. More about the safety procedures. As a team leader, I have to have good communication skills, first of all, listening skills. Communication skills is very important in our industry, just because we all different and we have to understand and listen each other to make sure they are fitted for work, how they feel. That's the team leader's role, to make sure they are safe. My day starts from the checking emails, checking the arrivals expecting in the depot during the shift. I'm looking for open work orders, what we're gonna do during the shift, allocating my shift, allocating my team, and then we starting our regular job, essential cleaning. I give them a bit of time to start cleaning the trains, then I'm going to check to make sure everything done by high standards. I really trust my team. They trust me, I trust them, so we never have any issues with that. The arrivals we receive during the day, I am informed from the manager about the priorities, which train we have to finish first. During the shift, I'm checking all the units to make sure everything completed, and then slowly we finish. Then I hand back trains to the manager. We're refilling our stuff for the next shift, and everybody happy.